Time waits for no one, so why should you? Enter Dynamic Microtech, a company that understands the value of every second. In today's fast-paced world where every moment counts, having reliable and precise technology is not just a luxury but a necessity. Whether you're managing a bustling office, running a factory, or simply trying to keep your home comfortable, time is of the essence, and that's where we come in. Established in 2006 and headquartered in Mumbai, Dynamic Microtech leads the way in precision technology. Our journey began with a vision to revolutionize the way we perceive and utilize time. Over the years, we have grown into a trusted name, synonymous with innovation and reliability. Our state-of-the-art headquarters in Mumbai is a testament to our commitment to excellence, housing some of the brightest minds in the industry. From state-of-the-art AC timers and controllers to innovative digital displays and precision clocks, we redefine reliability and performance. Our products are designed to meet the highest standards of quality and precision, ensuring that you can rely on them day in and day out. Whether it's controlling the temperature in your home or ensuring that your factory runs smoothly, our solutions are built to last. Our AC timers and controllers optimize industrial and residential air conditioning systems with unmatched durability and energy efficiency. Imagine a world where your air conditioning system not only keeps you comfortable but also saves you money by operating at peak efficiency. That's the promise of our AC timers and controllers. They are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring that your system runs smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Think about a factory running like clockwork, quite literally. Our precision technology ensures that every machine, every process, and every task is perfectly synchronized. This level of precision not only boosts productivity but also reduces downtime and maintenance costs. It's like having a well-oiled machine that never misses a beat. Next up, our digital display systems with large crystal-clear screens ensure temperature and humidity readings are always accurate. These displays are perfect for environments where precision is critical, such as laboratories, manufacturing plants, and even your home. With our digital displays, you can be confident that you're always getting the most accurate readings, helping you make informed decisions, perfect for industries, warehouses, and even your home. Schools, listen up. Our digital displays are not just for industrial use. They are also perfect for educational institutions where accurate time and temperature readings are essential for creating a comfortable learning environment. Imagine walking into a school where every classroom is perfectly climate controlled thanks to our digital displays. Our school bell timers and MP3 models offer customizable sounds and user-friendly interfaces, making scheduling a breeze. Gone are the days of the old clunky school bell systems. Our modern solutions allow you to customize the bell sounds to suit your school's unique needs. Whether it's a traditional bell sound or a custom MP3, our systems make it easy to keep your school running smoothly. Picture a principal programming the school's bell system with ease. With our intuitive interfaces, even those who are not tech-savvy can easily set up and manage the bell schedules. This means less time spent on technical issues and more time focused on what really matters, educating students. And for public spaces, schools, and businesses, our Wi-Fi and GPS clocks provide seamless synchronization and unparalleled precision. Imagine a world where every clock in your building is perfectly synchronized down to the second. Our Wi-Fi and GPS clocks make this a reality, ensuring that everyone is always on the same page, whether it's in a school, a business, or a public space. Never worry about manual adjustments again. Our clocks automatically synchronize with global time standards, ensuring that they are always accurate. This means no more manual adjustments, no more discrepancies, and no more confusion. Just accurate, reliable timekeeping 24/7. Behind every product is a commitment to quality. At Dynamic Microtech, we believe that quality is not just a goal, but a standard. Our team of engineers and quality control experts work tirelessly to ensure that every product we produce meets the highest standards of excellence. From the initial design to the final inspection, we leave no stone unturned in our quest for perfection. Our state-of-the-art technology and rigorous testing ensure we meet global standards, delivering defect-free products every time. We use the latest manufacturing techniques and technologies to produce our products, and each one undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets our exacting standards. This commitment to quality means that you can trust our products to perform flawlessly day in and day out. Why choose Dynamic Microtech? Because we offer more than just products, we offer solutions. Our products are designed to solve real-world problems, making your life easier and more efficient. Whether you need a reliable timer for your air conditioning system, a precise clock for your factory, or a customizable bell system for your school, we have the solution you need. Exceptional durability, cutting-edge technology, unmatched precision, and all at affordable prices. Our products are built to last using the latest technologies to ensure they perform at their best. And because we believe that quality should be accessible to everyone, we offer our products at prices that won't break the bank. Our solutions empower you to stay ahead of time, ensuring efficiency and reliability in every moment. In a world where time is money, our products help you make the most of every second. Whether you're running a business, managing a school, or simply trying to keep your home comfortable, our solutions give you the edge you need to stay ahead. Join countless organizations and individuals who trust Dynamic Microtech for their timing and display needs. Our customers come from all walks of life, from large corporations to small businesses, from schools to homes. They all have one thing in common: they trust Dynamic Microtech to provide the reliable, precise technology they need to succeed. Visit us at website or contact our team at contact information today. Our friendly and knowledgeable customer service team is always ready to help you find the perfect solution for your needs. So why wait? Discover the Dynamic Microtech difference today and take the first step towards a more efficient, reliable future.